So the way that we do the system or the buckets is by opening up multiple bank accounts.
Mhm.
And that's because most people do what's called bank balance accounting. It's when they look at their bank balance to see how much money they have to work with. The problem is that doesn't account for the things that are going to clear or those annual expenses that you pay or the strategy behind being more intentional about your profit or whatever you have coming down the road. So by making separate bank accounts, you're able to prioritize those things, create a strategy for where your money's going, but then also stabilize your income and your cash flow, which is really important, especially if you have seasonality in any kind of variety in your business.
I think it's important that also to remember that a lot of business owners don't put the profit away
No.
or they don't put their own money away.
Hmm.
To me, that's always been a big issue. Is that a common issue where the business
Yes.
owner like doesn't really pay themselves?
Yep, it is. It's a very common problem that business owners have. We see people all the time where they're living month to month, as you would, or paycheck to paycheck, right? It's the same concept, right? You get to the end of the month and you have zero left over, and you didn't save any money for taxes. You didn't pay yourself enough. You didn't save any like profit or any nest egg. And especially like in today's economy, this is becoming a more and more important conversation because it's been a crazy year and a half, 2 years,
Right.
and we don't know what's coming. So making sure your business is profitable is important, but then also having a strategy for where those dollars are going is really, really important.